Hello everyone! Today, I'm going to show you an incredible trick, transforming this simple, often overlooked DVD into a versatile grinding and sanding disc. The very first step is to drill a hole right through the center. I'm using a conical drill bit because it gradually widens the hole, preventing cracking and ensuring a clean, precise opening for mounting. Next, I'm preparing my angle grinder. I'll remove the locking nut. Then, I carefully place the drilled DVD onto the spindle of the angle grinder. I'm making sure it sits flush and is perfectly centered, then securing it tightly with the locking nut and a wrench. A secure fit is vital to prevent wobbling during operation. Now, it's time to transform the surface of the DVD. I'm using a piece of P80 grit sandpaper. Just a quick test spin here to ensure it's properly mounted and ready for action. Looks good. I'll hold the sandpaper against the spinning DVD on the angle grinder. The goal here is to remove the printed label and the thin plastic layer, exposing the bare, reflective surface underneath. Once one side is done, I'll flip the DVD over and remove the remaining layers from the other side. This ensures both faces of our new disc are prepped. Leave a comment and let me know which country you are watching from. It's great that we can connect and chat from all over the world. After a thorough sanding process, our DVDs now have their original coating removed. Moving on, I need to create some custom-sized sandpaper discs. I'm taking a sheet of coarse sandpaper, placing our prepped DVD on it as a template, and tracing around it with a marker. I'll make sure to mark the center hole as well. This allows me to cut perfect circles that will fit our disc precisely. I'm carefully cutting out the traced sandpaper circles using a pair of scissors. Precision is key here to ensure a snug fit on our disc. This will give us a fresh abrasive surface, transforming our DVD into a fully functional sanding pad. If you find this video interesting, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any interesting ideas coming soon. With our sandpaper cut, it's time to attach it. I'm applying super glue evenly over one side of the polished DVD. It's important to get a good, consistent layer for strong adhesion. Then, I carefully align one of the sandpaper circles and press it firmly onto the glued surface. I'll hold it in place for a few moments to allow the glue to set, ensuring a solid bond. I repeat this process for the other side with the second sandpaper circle. And there it is, our freshly made sandpaper disc. I'll attach it back onto the angle grinder, securing it tightly as before. This custom sanding attachment is now ready to tackle some serious work. To demonstrate its power, I'm taking a wooden block. I'll mark a straight line on it. Using the newly created sanding disc on my angle grinder, I can precisely sand down the edge of this wood. See how it effortlessly removes material, creating a smooth, beveled finish? This is perfect for woodworking projects where precision and a clean edge are required. Now, let's try something different. I'm taking a threaded metal rod and marking the end where I want to shape it. I'll clamp it securely in a vise. This stability is essential for safe and accurate grinding. Using the angle grinder with our DIY sanding disc, I'm carefully beveling the tip of the rod. Watch those sparks fly. The disc is effectively grinding down the metal, creating a pointed, usable shape. I'll continue to refine the metal rod's tip, shaping it into a sharp, functional point. This demonstrates the abrasive power of our DVD turned sanding disc on metal. It's quite effective for small shaping tasks. Next, I have a rusty metal bracket. I'll secure it in the vise. Our sanding disc is excellent for removing rust, revealing the clean metal underneath. Just a few passes, and you can see the difference immediately. This is a great way to clean up old tools or metal parts. Finally, for the ultimate test, sharpening a drill bit. I have a dull drill bit here, and our sanding disc is perfect for restoring its edge. I carefully hold the bit at the correct angle against the spinning disc. This allows me to precisely sharpen the cutting edges, making the drill bit as good as new. Look at that shine and sharpness. It's ready for work. Our incredible multifunctional sanding and grinding tool, made from a simple DVD. This DIY device proves that with a little creativity, you can achieve amazing things and give new life to discarded items. If you enjoyed this project and found it inspiring, please give this video a big thumbs up, share it with your friends, and leave a comment below telling me what other unexpected tools you'd like to see me create. Don't forget to subscribe for more fantastic DIY ideas. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.